Hey guys, so today I've got a quick video for 2019 GLC 350E hybrid to reset the service A, service B light after an oil change or after a service. Very simple procedure, no special tools are needed. The light usually shows up over here when you turn the car on or have it running for a couple of minutes. So first thing we're gonna do is put the key in the ignition and ignition to the first position, not on to the first position. After that, we're gonna go use these up, down, home. Press the home button, go on trip. Then we're gonna go down or up till you see the mileage or odometer. Once you see this, you're gonna press and hold the phone answer button and OK button at the same time. So I'm gonna use one of my hands. So after like 3 to 5 seconds, you'll see this menu. So press with the ignition on the accessory position, press and hold this. And while holding this, press and hold the OK button on the left and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see this menu. Then we're gonna go down. Assist plus is gonna say to turn the ignition on. Now we turn the ignition on. And then we're gonna go to full service. Confirm service, confirm. All right, press OK, press the home button. That's it. Now you're in workshop mode, so turn the ignition off, take the key out, open and close the door, and you're out of workshop mode. You can confirm if the light's been set by going to press home, all the way to service, enter, 0 messages, go to assist plus, and it says service A is due in 10,000 miles. So that means it's been reset properly. All right, very easy procedure. Hopefully it helps. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.